We all know lasagna is an Italian dish, but it might surprise you to know that it originated in ancient Greece about 700 years back. The term lasagna is derived from the Greek word laganon. Laganon means pasta, which is the first recorded form of pasta. The Italians have only perfected the layer of this unique dish. Over the years, the traditional recipe has changed a lot by mixing spinach, onions, ricotta, minced beef, chicken, or pork. So today, let's make lasagna. Here I have taken the ingredients and divided into three steps. The first step is making the bechamel sauce. For that I have taken half a liter of warm milk, little Worcestershire sauce, half a spoon of black pepper powder, a pinch of nutmeg. This is very important for bechamel sauce, and 2 tablespoons of white flour. For the meat sauce, here I have taken 600 grams of minced meat, 4 grated tomatoes, 2 medium-sized onion finely chopped. Here I have taken a spoon of coriander powder, a spoon of cumin powder, 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder, and half a spoon of black pepper powder. Here I have taken 2 spoons of paprika. Here I have taken 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of mixed herbs, and fresh parsley and thyme finely chopped. Here I have taken a no boil pasta sheet, lasagna sheet rather, and these are the ingredients, and let's go for cooking. For making the meat sauce, here I have taken about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, and when the oil is hot, we will first saute the onion. We don't have to brown the onion. When it turns to get brown, then we will add the minced meat. Has lost its raw color. At this stage we will add about 1.5 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Now we will add the tomato paste. We will use the tomato paste. Now we will add this dry spices, chilies, paprika, mixed herbs, thyme and celery, and the tomato sauce. Salt, now we will add some water and leave it for about half an hour covered for the meat to cook properly. When the meat sauce is being cooked, let us turn it to the other burner. Let us change it to the other burner and we will make the bechamel sauce here. For the bechamel sauce, we will take 2 tablespoons of butter, and about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Now that the oil is hot, and now we will add this flour and fry it for about 3 to 4 minutes. But we have to take care, it must not turn brown. Now the flour has started turning brown, so we will add the warm milk a little bit at a time. Mix it properly. Now we will add the black pepper powder and the nutmeg powder. Some salt. Our bechamel sauce is done, so we put the flame off. Now we will add the Worcestershire sauce, about a tablespoon, that's it. Our meat sauce is also done. Now we will do the layering and baking. Traditional lasagna preparation is not easy. It is a carefully planned assembly. The first layer should be placed on a greased cookie sheet to prevent clumping. Since the bechamel sauce is considered to be the mother sauce for preparation of lasagna, the first layer will be the bechamel sauce. Then we have to spread the lasagna sheet on it. Then again a layer of bechamel sauce. Then a layer of meat sauce. Cheese, parmesan and cheddar, the mixture of parmesan and cheddar cheese. So here's the first layer. For the second layer, again a spread of lasagna sheet. So another layer of meat sauce, and a generous quantity of our shredded cheese. The third layer, same, the repetition of the first layer. Now we have to cover it with an aluminium foil, and before that we have to put some toothpicks to prevent the foil to stick to the cheese. Now this goes to the oven 190 degrees for 45 minutes. 25 minutes covered and 15 minutes after removing the cover.